In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iCloud with this complete beginner's guide. Whether you're new to Apple devices or simply need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and start with setting up iCloud on your device. First, you'll want to open the Settings app on your Apple device. It's usually an icon with gears and you can easily spot it right on your home screen. Once in Settings, look at the top where your name is displayed, that's your Apple ID, give it a tap to proceed. With your Apple ID open, look for the option labelled iCloud and tap it. Here is where you can take control of what iCloud will manage for you. Now, let's move on to choosing what exactly you want to sync with iCloud. You'll see a list of apps that you can back up into iCloud. These include essentials like photos, contacts, calendars, notes, and messages. Simply toggle on the switch next to each app that you want to keep backed up and synced. This step is crucial because it ensures all your data is safe and easily accessible across all your Apple devices. Once you have your apps selected, it's time to check your storage. Tap on Manage Account Storage or iCloud Storage, which will give you a detailed breakdown of how much space you're currently using and what's occupying that space. This insight is really helpful, especially if you find yourself running out of room. Now, if you do find your storage is hitting the limit, you might want to consider upgrading your iCloud storage. Tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus to explore various plans they offer. You'll find options ranging from 50GB to 200GB and even up to 2 TB. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and confirm your purchase using your Apple ID credentials. Finally, let's talk about using iCloud on other devices. It's as simple as signing in with the same Apple ID on your other iPhone, iPad or Mac. Once you're signed in, all your data will automatically sync and stay up to date. This is one of iCloud's most convenient features, allowing a seamless transition and access to your information no matter which device you are using. And that's it. This marks the end of our beginner's guide to using iCloud. By now you should feel equipped to manage your data effortlessly across all your Apple devices, keeping everything safe and synchronized. Thank you for tuning in and remember to subscribe for more tips and guides. Have a great day.